Welcome to the Buzzeasy Academy. Let's dive into working with emails. In this video you will learn how to receive, respond to, and transfer email tasks, use the templates, send and receive attachments, reorganize the layout for better email compositing, and many more. Handling inbound email tasks is similar to conversations in other media. You receive inbound emails from the customer via an email queue, and respond back in the Buzzeasy Agent Application. When so configured, you have a certain amount of time to review the sender and their customer history before deciding to take the email task. Failure to act in time, or clicking the reject button will take the task back to its queue and you will be put to Rona state. Now let's open an email. After accepting the task, you see a condensed view of the email message in the work area. The top section shows the name of the Buzzeasy channel and queue you received the task from. Click the condensed message to see all the details. Toggle between the condensed and expanded views by clicking the top section of the message anytime. When you are ready to respond, click the reply button below the customer message. If you wish your response to reach all the parties the customer sent their original message to, click the Reply All button instead. Use the Add or CC/BCC buttons at the top of the message to add recipients to your response email that were not originally addressed. If you wish to abandon your current reply efforts, click the Discard button and confirm your intent. Use the Directory button at the top of the message to search for and add other recipients such as Buzzeasy agents, users from your corporate directory, or contacts from the Buzzeasy contact directory. Compose your response in the text editor panel with the customer's original message inside. Click above the separator at the top to start writing. Use the editor tools to change the text style. You can paste images inline or add other files as attachments. Note that attachments you add are shown below the message. Click the Send button below the message to send your response. The agent application confirms that your message was sent successfully. Note that the task did not automatically close. This is because emails are not as fast-paced as phone calls or chat messages, and so it is possible that the customer responds to your message, and it is likely best if you handle that one too. Therefore, Buzzeasy lets you decide when to close an email task. To close an email, click the X icon in the title bar of the task. This will take you to the usual wrap-up state where you can perform the post-conversation activities. Email tasks could arrive with previous message exchanges between the customer and an agent. Buzzeasy merges such correlated messages into a single thread in the task. When you see previous messages, you can expand or collapse each of them to get acquainted with the history before you respond. You can transfer incoming email tasks to any of the Buzzeasy email channels and queues you have access to. Click the Transfer button at the top of the task and select a target channel or queue. Upon the transfer, your task closes as per usual. Supervisors can create email templates with standardized text and style. They can also add customer field replacement tags, such as first name, last name, email, and similar. To add a template, first reply to the message. Click the Template button at the top of the email task. The list of templates show up at the upper section of the email task. Find the proper template and click it to see its preview in a pop-up modal window. Click the Select button to apply it. Carefully review the template data inserted into your message. When satisfied, send the response. As with voice calls, you can also launch a new outbound email from scratch. As described in a previous video, outbound conversations are initiated from the lookup mode. You can address an existing customer by first selecting the agent workspace you'd like to work with, and then clicking the email icon or button for the desired customer. Alternatively, you can target an email address that has no customer record stored yet. In this case, select the Start Ad Hoc Email option from the plus menu icon at the bottom, type the email address and click the email button. Working with emails might demand the ability to read or write a relatively large amount of text, including navigating the templates. The Buzzeasy Agent Application allows you to expand the various panels in your work area by temporarily collapsing other bits that might not be of interest to you at the moment. Thank you for watching. Learn more about the Buzzeasy Agent Application by watching these other short videos, and subscribe to our channel to get notified of our new releases.